Welcome back. This is Built Mike's Way, and I'm Mike. I cannot tell you how thankful I am for so many people watching my last video on the 34. There's going to be a lot of those to come. But today, we're putting a resonator and a flex coupler and a V-band in the exhaust and the lightning. For a few reasons, it's just too loud. It drones like crazy on the freeway. So we're going to isolate some of the vibration with this guy. This mid muffler is going to go right up under the cab of the truck to help quieten it down as soon as it comes out of the engine. And we're putting this guy in because I never did it on the last one, and you have to pull the trans cross member down. Stupid mistake. I hadn't ordered them yet, so now I'm putting these in so we can take it apart in pieces if we have to do transmission work, add in new headers, things like that. So we're going to get right into it. Thanks again. Alright guys, here we are after I rode the struggle bus for most of the day yesterday. I've just about got these TIG welded up. I got all the flanges done around the V-bands. And believe me, it's been a while since I've TIG welded, so I'm definitely have to put in some practice before I start working on the TIG welding for the 34. But I was halfway decent once, so I'll get there again. We're going to finish up some of this wire with wire around this flex coupler. It's just not really TIG welding too nice. It's like 3 or 4 parts plus the, I don't know. Some people do it. I am not liking it. So I'm going to switch to MIG welded, get these things finished up, bring in the lightning, cut the exhaust off, or pull the trans cross member out, cut the exhaust off, remock it up, and then hopefully get this thing all finished up today. Thanks for sticking around. That's it. We're going to quiet this truck down and then we're going to turn it up just so we can be a little more sneaky about it. I do love the way it sounds, but the drone inside of the cab is just about driving me crazy. So we're going to fix that today. Alright guys, because I didn't put a V-band in when I first built this thing, I was like, oh, it's so short, I don't mind just having to take the cross member off to pull it out, I'm an idiot basically. So now I'm going to do a cut in that 20-inch area that I'm going to add the resonator and the flex coupler with a V-band, just a rough cut, and try to get this thing out of here so I don't have to drop the trans cross member. However, cutting stainless with the Sawzall blade probably isn't going to be that enjoyable. So let's see how this goes. Alright, we got to get these undone. I just got that grommet off of there. It's just like the stock lightning. It's a 14 millimeter. And this is normally, if you fight these too much, just throw a little WD on them, or have a pry bar ready. But there we go. All right, here we go. We got our rest of our exhaust here. We got our two up to the manifolds. I'm just gonna mark what side is passenger and what side is driver. All right. Resonator, flex joint, V-band. Should have put these in to start with. I keep saying that to myself. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut this first one off right at the bend where it's nice and starts going straight. So once we do that, we're just gonna set this other piece back on here, measure this full length to the table to that top, and then we're gonna cut it again about an 1/8 inch short, just to make sure we got a little room for that V-band. But there ain't nothing to it but to get to it, so we're gonna get on it. Pipe wrap, if you don't have one, get one if you're doing exhaust. I'm actually gonna run outside and cut these since I've got my truck in here. I don't really want to cover it with dust and crap, so I'm gonna be right back. All right, and I'm gonna try to put it back up under the truck again. As you see, we got them all up in there. All right, here we go. Final weld out, then we can install it and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, my neck ended up slipping off, so I had to take this apart. Turns out this little set screw is loose and let the head slide all the way out. So yeah, I'm not quite sure how long that's been like that, but I'm trying to rush and get this done, and this ain't helping. Alright. There's also a lot of extra liner in this, that's why it's pushed it out so easily. So we're gonna grab the right Allen, tighten this back up, get this back together, and then we're gonna try to get this exhaust finished up. Definitely sounds a little deeper